You are watching Jancy's Corner.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel, and today I am going to unpack this Tower VL30 Plus vacuum cleaner. It's a cordless vacuum cleaner, and I'm looking for a vacuum which is very flexible and handheld, and there's no cord. So I think this is perfect for me because it's affordable, and we'll see whether the performance of this vacuum really meet my needs or your needs as well. And this vacuum is made by Tower, which has already 100 years of quality experience, and the model is the VL30 Plus, which has 22.2 volts, cordless, and it says it's 3-in-1 vacuum. It transforms into a handheld vacuum that is perfect for staircase, cars, and upholstery. It has a great British design and innovation and excellence, which is since 1912. So what are the other features of this vacuum? Aside from the 22.2 volt Lion rechargeable battery, we have up to 35 minutes run time and powerful cyclonic suction. And the floor head is motorized, and it has also an anti-allergy HEPA filter. Take note guys, if you buy this product, you'll have a 3-year guarantee period. So make sure your receipt is kept into a secure place because it will be needed for the warranty. So let's open it up. Included in this package are the roller brush head, instruction manual, the vacuum itself, suction extension, battery, suction accessory with brush, battery charger, wall mount for storage, suction accessory holder, and another suction tip accessory. Before using this product, you need to charge the battery first. So you need to connect the adapters jack to the unit's charging port, which is this one. Okay. So during the charging, the 3D LED indicators illuminate incrementally until all lights are illuminated. So guys, when the battery is fully charged, you will see that the 3 lights are all light up and they are steady. When you get this, you need to turn off the charger and remove the plug from the socket. And you can use this for the vacuum now. To attach the battery to the vacuum, so you need to slide the battery on the bottom part of this vacuum. You will see this part here will match the part of this vacuum. So yeah, just slide it slowly, and then you will hear a click. Okay. And if you want to remove the battery, just press this. Press and then remove. So to turn on the vacuum, you need to press the on and off button, which is this one. So this is, there is an indicator here. It says minimum. And if you press again while it's working or operating, the on and off button, it will go to the maximum. And if you're going to press again, it will turn off. So that's how the vacuum operates. And now I'm going to attach the extension pole to the vacuum. We'll go in this part first. This is the area where you have to attach to the vacuum. So take note, we have like a connection here, and on the opposite we got the extension pull release button. Okay, so just match these two for this is for the connection. Okay, and connect it this way. So make sure that the connection are, there you go, coincide with each other. So it's already locked. And on the end part, we will connect the brush roller. So this is the brush roller. And same thing, they have also the connection. Okay. So because this vacuum has a motorized motor head, so that's why there is a connection, electrical connection. Okay, so the same thing you're gonna do, just align this to the extension pole, and then you can hear a click. All right. So this is the setup now, and it's ready for use. Let's try it. Make sure, guys, you remove the plastic cover. Okay. So if you can see the roller inside, there you go. So I'm gonna show you while it's clean. So let's turn it on. So far, these are the dust and dirt that this vacuum have suctioned, and so you will see that there's loads of them, and I just vacuum for 10 minutes. And I'm going to show you how the ruler brush works. You can see that powerful. So it's trying to scrape all the dirt in the floor going upward. So guys, I have used this vacuum since last night, and so if you can see, the battery is only one dot already here, and it will automatically stop by itself if it runs out of battery. So this stage, we're going to charge the battery. Now it's time for us to empty the dust compartment, and of course we need to disconnect by pressing this button to disconnect. Okay, and now let's go to the bin. So if you can see here, we got a quick release button, and make sure you put this part, the bottom part, on the opening of the bin, because it will release it like this. Okay, so remove. There's loads of hair and dust. I just vacuumed since last night, and oh my god, I couldn't believe how much I have vacuumed. Wow. So there we go, it's full of dust in there. Okay, so once you have emptied, what you need to do is turn this around, and this will be disconnected completely, and you have the access to clean the filter. Okay, so there you go. So you see each side has a different length. This thing here, this is longer, smaller and smaller. So find the slot where it fits and then just turn it around. Okay, so you cannot remove it anymore, and close. So then the chamber is completely empty. Okay, so to clean the filter, actually the filter is up here. You need to press this button and then lift the filter. So this is how the filter looks like. So far it's still clean. If in case it's dirty, you can wash it and dry it up so that the suction will be strong as it is. So yeah, so far it looks good, so I'm not gonna do anything on that. I'll just put it back. Okay, so here are the other accessories included. So this is a part of the nozzle that you can interchange with the others. So this is another one as well. So another tip. I think this is the holder for this too. So just put it like this. And here a flick to hold it, and then you have to put it in the extension so that you can carry it anywhere, anytime that you like, in case you need it. Okay. And I have another one here. I think this is a wall mount wherein you can secure it in the wall and hang your vacuum. Now if you want to use this accessory, so just release it. Press the release button here, press it down, and then pull it upward, and then you can use this and attach it to the end of the vacuum. Okay, so you will see a slot here coincide with the side of this nozzle. So just push it down. You will hear a click, and then you can use it. But I don't have battery right now, so we'll wait for that. So if you want to release, press this and then pull it forward. So same thing with the other accessory. Press. Okay. And then this one, it has a brush on the end. So there's two purpose. So you can have the solid part, or you can have with the brush one. So just press it down and then you can slide. And then you had a soft touch at the end. So it looks like this. Okay. And then you can also attach it to the vacuum. Same thing, just insert this thingy on the slot and push it down. You will hear a click, and then you can use it afterwards. Then you can take it out again by pressing the release button. So as you can see, this vacuum, you can let it stand by itself. And you can maneuver this easily when you are using it in the floor. So as you can see, this side here, this connection here, it has the ability and flexibility to turn it like 180 degrees. Okay. And this wheel helps it to move around on the floor and glide it easily. Also, you can disconnect this by pressing this button, and then you can use the other accessories and attach it on the, if you want a long extension for the other accessories, you can use it as well. And if you can see, this is how it looks like if you got a long extension. so you can use it interchangeably. So that's all, guys. If you got more questions, please leave your comments below, and thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel and also visit us at www.jnccorner.com, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!